Hello, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about bringing you budget-friendly garden secrets, hacks, and upgrades to make your outdoor space shine without breaking the bank. Today, we've got 8 fantastic tips that will transform your garden into a paradise on a budget. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive in. 1. Repurpose everyday items. One of the best-kept secrets in gardening is using everyday items for your garden needs. Take this old plastic container, for example. Instead of tossing it away, we can turn it into a charming herb planter. All you need is some potting soil, seeds, and voila! You've got yourself a budget-friendly herb garden. 2. DIY compost bin. Composting is not only great for the environment, but also a fantastic way to save money on fertilizers. You don't need an expensive compost bin. A simple DIY version like this one, made from a repurposed barrel, works wonders. Just toss in your kitchen scraps, garden waste, and let nature do its magic. 3. Mulch magic. Mulching is a garden hack that many overlook, but it can make a world of difference. Not only does mulch suppress weeds and retain moisture, but it also adds nutrients to the soil as it breaks down. You can use materials like leaves, straw, or even newspaper for a budget-friendly mulching solution. 4. Vertical gardening. Short on space? No problem. Vertical gardening is the answer. By utilizing vertical space with trellises, hanging baskets, or wall-mounted planters, you can grow a variety of plants even in a small garden or balcony. It's a space-saving and visually appealing upgrade. 5. Seed saving. Why buy seeds every year when you can save them from your own garden? Seed saving is a budget-friendly and sustainable practice. Simply let your plants go to seed, harvest, and dry the seeds, then store them for next season. It's a simple yet effective way to cut down on gardening costs. 6. Companion planting. Companion planting is a gardening secret that not only improves plant health, but also reduces the need for pesticides and fertilizers. By strategically planting compatible crops together, you can enhance growth, deter pests, and boost yields naturally. It's a win-win for your garden and your wallet. 7. DIY garden decor. Who says garden decor has to be expensive? Get creative and make your own. From painted rocks to recycled art pieces, there are endless possibilities to add charm and personality to your garden without spending a fortune. Plus, it's a fun project for the whole family to enjoy. 8. Water-saving techniques. Last but not least, let's talk about water conservation. With simple techniques like drip irrigation, rain barrels, and mulching, you can significantly reduce water usage in your garden. Not only does this save money on water bills, but it also promotes healthier plants by delivering water directly to the roots. And there you have it, 8 budget-friendly garden secrets, hacks, and upgrades to elevate your outdoor oasis without breaking the bank. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly gardening content. Until next time, happy gardening!